White House Christmas tree. It's an 18-foot tall Douglas fir from West.
Let's challenge every elected official who benefits from these ads to defend this practice or join us in stopping it. They should limit any elected official from owning stocks in industries they impact. This week we made it official. I'm going to Cuba. Setting aside a Sunday in May for our mothers became an official holiday with a congressional resolution a little more than 100 years ago. They did it on... I'm an elected official. I understand these problems arouse passions and concerns. All right, I got to take the official picture here. They must understand, as Justice Brennan put it, the pulse of life beneath the official version of events. The pulse of life beneath the official version of events. Our only interest was the result fairly, accurately reflecting the will of the Afghan people. And that is what we will continue to support as the votes are counted and we wait for the official results from the Afghan Independent Electoral Commission and the Electoral Complaints Commission. Now, Reverend, I think you'll agree with me when I say that I can work hard, states can work hard, city can work hard, every government official can work hard to try to improve our schools, but if our parents don't insist on excellence from their children, we won't succeed.
Now, this was before the tradition of having them come and have an official arrival ceremony out on the lawn. So when they arrived at Union Station on a train from Canada, President and Mrs. Roosevelt went and greeted them at the train station.
I am grateful to all of its members. And my favorite, July 3rd, 1776, senior Whig official, talks break down, independence dead. So this is nothing new. But again, I want to just emphasize everybody down here, every local official, every state official is working as hard as they can. We're not going to make an official announcement until it's ready. Before everybody heads home for Thanksgiving, there is one official duty I am sworn to uphold as the leader of the most powerful nation on earth.